Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with my unboxing and first look at the Alcatel Idol 4S. So let's get started. So the Idol 4S is a 5.5-inch AMOLED screen, 1440 by 2560, 534 ppi. Looking around at the box, it's a nice presentation. Comes with its own VR headset to give you that nice 360 experience. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. So right on top we have the phone itself. It's a nice size, same size as last year's Idol 3. Then we have some packaging for the usual pamphlets. There's our SIM tool. I have plenty of those. And finally, there's our VR headset itself. They did a very good job of packaging this up. Managed to get a lot into a small space. Inside the headset is another box. So let's take a look at what's in there. Here's our USB 2.0 charging cable. And finally our power brick. It's only 2.0 and there's no USB-C. They decided to stick with USB. And the last thing we have inside the headset is our JBL earbuds. I think the same ones we had last year. And the last thing in the box is the strap for our VR headset. There's also an Incipio case included. Feels nice and tough, a little bit better quality than you usually get when you get a free case with a phone. So let's peel off the protective paper from the phone and get our first good look at it. The Idol 4S is glass front and back with a metal frame, and it really feels good in the hand. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixel with an LED flash. On the right side you have a boom key which you can program to open apps or have your camera open up and other things. Also a volume up and down button. Up top you have our headphone jack and microphone. On the left side our power button and our SIM tray. And on the bottom are USB in and another microphone. On the back we have our 16 megapixel camera, f2.0 aperture with a dual tone LED flash. So let's power it up and see how much battery we've got. The Idol 4S kept the Idol 3's flip ability so that when you turn the phone upside down either way you can talk on it and it'll change all by itself. Doesn't matter which way you hold it. It comes with 6.0.1 Marshmallow and should update to Nougat at some time in the future. I'm going to sign in and show you the phone. You can see we got an update as soon as I turned it on. So there's the phone. It's kind of a beautiful display. The default launcher is Alcatel's One Touch launcher, but it also has built in the Google Now launcher, which I'll be putting on. As you can see, unlike some other Chinese phones, it does have our app drawer, and overall it's very close to stock Android. So I just wanted to give you a size comparison with some of my other phones. There it is, alongside the Nextbit Robin, which is basically the same size phone. Here it is with my Nexus 6P, which naturally is a much bigger phone, and I tend to like big phones. This 5.5 inch is basically the smallest that I'd like to have. And finally, here it is next to last year's Idol 3. Basically the same size phone. I have a feeling I'm going to like this phone very much because I like the Idol 3 a lot, and we've got a lot of improvements here. So that's my unboxing of the Alcatel Idol 4S. There's a lot of personalization you can do to the settings, and I'll be showing you some of that as we go. I'll also be doing a comparison with some other phones, especially last year's Idol 3. As always, thanks so much for watching, and comments are welcome.